Hi guys, welcome to IoT tutorial series part 3. In this tutorial session, I am going to show you how you can control your AC appliances from any network and from mobile phone. Before that, I am assuming that you know how to control the GPIO, how to set up the Raspberry Pi with your Windows machine or Linux machine, how to and you have already set up your Ubuntu and MQTT broker onto the Amazon Cloud Services. If you not, then please watch my previous videos, because without that you will not be able to understand and control your home appliances from any network. So this is the just typical diagram and typical setup which we are going to perform in this practical session. So this is the wooden box which I have prepared for this practical session, in which I already installed one AC bulb, put one buzzer and also one PIR sensors. So we are going to control these appliances from the mobile application. So first I am going to log in into the Raspberry Pi board. So this is my Raspberry Pi board, and this is just the shell script which I will copy in the description of the video, so you can directly take this script from there. So this is the GPIO number which I have used for different peripherals. For example, GPIO 21 where I connected one LED, GPIO 16 where I connected the relay output, 20 relay output, 22 for the camera, 23 for the PIR sensor, 24 for the buzzer. So you can understand this shell script here. I am exporting all the GPIO and setting the direction, and I created one network function in which I am just pinging google.com. If network detected, then my GPIO will turn on, otherwise it will be turned off. So you can determine that whether your device is connected with the internet or not. So simply you can call offline and online. And here I am using mosquito sub command where I am redirecting the output of the subscribing command into the bulb.txt, and then I'm just grabbing the values from the txt files. So there could be couple of way to achieve the same practicals, but I found this is a simple one, so you can try it and you can enhance these practicals. Okay. So if you have any doubt and any question related to this script, feel free to send me an email, so I will reply as soon as possible. So let's try to execute this shell script on the Raspberry Pi board. So now it's exporting all the GPIOs, and you can see this network is detected. So that's why one LED is turning on. And now I'm going to control one GPIO. So for example, I will go in my mobile phone screen. And will publish. I will set topic. Valve 1 will create, and I will send here 1. So you can see this red light is turning on, and if I send 0, this light is turning off. I have also another bulb. Let's create another topic in which we can pass bulb 2. Sorry, not a friendly name. So here I can send 1 on bulb 2. So you can see this bulb is also turning on. In same way you can pass 0 to off this buzzer. And I can also control my buzzer sound. So buzzer is the topic. I am just passing 1, so it will turn on, and when you pass 0 it will turn off. So this is the practical which you can try at your home and try to control your appliances. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any question and comments, please send me an email. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video.